Hey guys, we don't know if we broke anything. It popped like something broke. I don't know if we're leaking anything. What's up guys, it's race week. We're back over here at the shop at Brian's B&K Performance, and we just got this thing on the lift. We're going to Ennis, Texas this weekend. It's the championship series of locals only. We got invited since we won the race at Galot a couple weeks ago. Car's still in good shape. Everything seems to be fine. So we're going to load it in the box and we're going to head that way. It's about a 20-hour drive, but it's exciting. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a great time. Hopefully we'll see you guys there. So the car is in good shape. We did lose bell housing. All the bell housing bolts were loose. We lost both dowel pins. So we got new bolts, lock washers, put the dowels in. We only found one of the dowels, but otherwise everything's in good shape. I think we're going to be okay, guys. Motor seems to be okay. Pulling plugs look good. Everything's nice and safe, which we don't have a Mac Daddy tune-up on this thing. When we raced Justin, we had the same tune-up in it that we had when we outrun Harry in Shannon's car. And everything run good that pass. It's just with Justin, it got a little crazy. It's got a little bit squirrely. But I think we're going to be in good shape. Hopefully the track, and we can make the car work better. Hopefully the track is as good as it was at Galot. We did do a little bit of an anti-roll bar change in the back. Car went left. If it went left against Justin, we probably would have had a heck of a drag race because he ended up having to pedal his. And, you know, it's just one of those things. So we're ready. We're going to Ennis, Texas. I'm excited. Donald's going to be dragging us up there. Kelly's going to be driving her car. Not everybody's going to be able to make it, unfortunately, because it is a 20-hour ride, and we got to leave on Wednesday night. So luckily, we're able to make it and make it happen. It's going to be a great time. All right, guys. Well, that's going to wrap it up. We're going to load it in a box. We're going to get it in the trailer, ready to go. We'll see y'all in a few days. I hope y'all are out there in Texas this weekend. If y'all are, come see us, hang out in the pits. Comment, like, and subscribe. Later, guys.